Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John and we're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And today, guys, I'm with the new to me Trail Boss, and there is one modification we've got to do, and we've got to do it fast. In fact, I don't care what ride you have, this is the very first thing you need to do. And we'll go over that right now, but to show you, I need to go to the back of the machine. So let's head that way. Okay, so we're at the back of the Silverado, and there's something that's just sticking out to me. It's just shockingly embarrassing almost. And can you tell what it is? Maybe you see it, and this is going to be on the back of a lot of vehicles you buy. It's going to be the dealership badging. Now, I happen to buy this vehicle from Bacon Chevrolet, and I actually enjoy working with this company, with this dealership, but I have bacon on the back of my truck, guys. I had a family member say, does this thing run on bacon? Now, I love bacon and I like the dealership. My salesman hooked me up, but that's got to go. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. It's not a difficult process, but it can take a minute, especially on a cold day like today. But I'll walk you through the steps. And in fact, I'm going to take that badge off and put a new one on. So stay tuned to see what that is. Okay, so we won't need much for this project. We got a heat gun, hair dryer work tool, plastic removal tool, and also got some fishing line here that you probably cannot see that could be helpful as well. And so we're just going to heat up our letters, pry if we can, and then run this fishing line back behind it. So you probably cannot see it, but that's the goal. So let's go ahead and get it set up. All right, so I am just going to begin to heat up this side. We want that adhesive to get really loose. That way it'll make it a lot easier to come off, and hopefully all come off in one piece, not leave a bunch of residue. I'm gonna take my fishing line, just kind of wrap it around two of my fingers, almost like dental floss, and just see if I can work this back behind there. So you can see that came right off. We'll have to play with the adhesive in a little bit. See if the rest of these are ready to come off or not. So they're popping off easy enough. But I do have all this residue we'll have to get cleaned up. I've got a little just plastic sharp edge, a flat edge that I can use to get behind this adhesive. I'm just going to heat it up. Already did it with the letter B. Now we're just Acon. And so we're going to heat it up, get that adhesive good and loose, and then we'll just scrape it off with this. Don't use anything metal. You'll scratch your paint. But if you're real easy with a plastic tool, you should be just fine. All right, that easy. We're just going to keep doing that. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of alcohol to wipe up where that was, in case there's any residual sticky. You cannot tell me that doesn't look a million times better, guys. 1,000,000 times better, a lot cleaner. Now, after you hit it with alcohol, if you kind of wax your vehicle or anything, you may want to put a little bit more wax in that spot because that alcohol can rub it off, just so it doesn't look strange. Now, I actually wanted to replace that badge with a new one, and this is what I'm going to put on here. Now, you guys tell me, should I have just left it alone, or do you like the new Trail Boss emblem? And I'll put this in the description in case that's something you're looking at. The only thing I kind of like is the all black, but I don't know, this looks pretty cool too. So I'm going to try to line up the T's and try to keep it what looks somewhat level. And I did clean this off with alcohol. I just got it sitting there because I'm going to come back and look at it You know what? I like that. So here is the new back end. And guys, I think it looks a billion times better. I did like, you know, only black letters, but my tail lights are red, and so this kind of pops as well. And there's nothing on the back that says, you know, this is a Trail Boss, except for maybe the tailpipes. But I really like that, guys. Like I said, it's not obnoxious. It's not overbearing. It's just a little pop. Now, some of you guys are going to hate that. If you hate it, tell me. I want to know. And if you love it, let me know that as well. So that's what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is take off those dealership badges. And if you want to, add your own customized ones. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you. And all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good pools. And God bless.